Hello and welcome. My name is Jane, and I'll be your guide on your journey to learn English. This is Lesson 1, and today we're starting from the very beginning, the English alphabet. The alphabet is the foundation of reading, writing, and communication in the English language. Every English word, book, text, and song begins with these 26 letters. That's why it's so important to learn to read and pronounce each one correctly. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Let's say them together, slowly. Repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. You'll notice that each letter has two forms, uppercase, also known as a capital letter, and lowercase, also known as a small letter. Both are important to recognize, especially when reading or writing sentences. Great! Let's do it again. This time using simple everyday words. A, apple. B, boy. C, cat. D, dog. E, egg. F, fish. G, girl. H, hat. I, ice. J, juice. K, key. L, lamp. M, mango. N, notebook. O, orange. P, pen. Q, queen. R, rainbow. S, sun. T, table. U, umbrella. V, vase. W, window. X, X-ray. Y, yellow. Z, zebra. Now, let's get back here. You'll notice that some letters are in a different color. The English alphabet is divided into two types of letters, vowels and consonants. There are 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, and U. The remaining 21 letters are consonants. Let's look at the difference. Vowels are open sounds. Air flows freely through your mouth when you say them. Try saying them. A, E, I, O, U. You can feel how smooth and open they sound. Without vowels, words would be difficult to say or understand. Imagine saying hello without vowels. It would sound like ho. Every word in English must have at least one vowel. That's why vowels are often called the heart of a word. Consonants, on the other hand, are closed sounds. Your lips, teeth, or tongue stop or shape the air before releasing it. Try saying B, D, S, T, M, N. Can you feel your mouth blocking the air slightly? Consonants give structure and strength to words. They work together with vowels to form syllables, the beats or parts of a word. For example, table, has 2 syllables. Apple also has 2 syllables. When vowels and consonants work together, words become clear and easy to pronounce. With this knowledge, you can now understand how words are formed and improve your reading and spelling faster. Remember, vowels are open sounds. Air flows freely when you say them. Consonants are closed sounds. Your lips, teeth, or tongue stop the air. Together, they make every English word possible. Let's test what you remember. What is the first letter in the word table? That's right, T. What letter does the word zebra start with? Z. Correct. Well done. Now you know all 26 letters of the English alphabet and how they sound. Practice saying the alphabet every day. Try spelling your name using these letters. For example, my name is Jane. J-A-N-E. Now you try. Spell your name in English. You can even write it in the comments below. Did you know that the letter A is the most used letter in English? It's closely followed by E, O, and T. These are the most common letters you'll see in books, signs, and even names. On the other hand, the letters Z and X are the least commonly used in English. Great job! You've completed your first English lesson and built a strong foundation for everything that comes next. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more fun and easy English lessons. See you in the next class.